This out, there's all these birds. It looks like a bunch of pelicans or the cranes or whatever, I think. Big white ones. A whole ton of them out there. Well, there must be some bait. I'm wondering if there's some bait out there. All those birds. Look at that. I wonder if there's some bait. There's just a ton of birds. I hear some seagulls and there's some sort of birds coming over there. I think they're seagulls. Yeah, they're all heading over there to that one spot. I don't know why. It must be a big bait ball or something. Well, I haven't had a bite yet, but it just seems to be promising right now. But we'll see. Yeah, it's just weird. A lot of something there, bringing them over there.